this is Swagata. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Swagata. Through this channel, you will learn with me various topics on different subjects. You may be a student, a housewife, or a working professional. My channel is for all of you. I'm sure you will all be excited to learn with me. So now let's get started. In this series of English grammar tutorials, today my topic is interjection. The contents include introduction, different examples of interjection, and an exercise. Introduction. Definition of interjection. Interjections are used to express sudden strong emotion or feeling followed by an exclamation mark. Different examples are: number 1, to express greeting, we use the words hi, hello, hey. Number 2, to express farewell, we use the words bye, goodbye, see ya. Number 3, to express happiness or joy, we use hurrah, wow, yay, yippee. Number 4, to express praise, we use the words great, well done, brilliant, bravo. Number 5, to express attention, we use the words look, listen, shh. Number 6, to express surprise, wonder, we use what, ah, oh, wow. Number 7, to express grief or pain, we use the words ouch, ah, oh, alas. Number 8, to express doubt, thinking, we use ah. Number 9, to express mistake, we use the words oops, phew. Number 10, to express fear, we use help. There are other interjections with more than one word. They are good heaven, oh dear, good gracious, oh no, how awful, good Lord, how wonderful. Now we will come to an exercise. Here you have to insert suitable interjections in the following sentences. Number 1, we won the cricket match. The answer will be hurrah, we won the cricket match. Number 2, my grandmother has passed away. The answer is alas, my grandmother has passed away. Number 3, I spilled the milk. The answer will be oops, I spilled the milk. Number 4, we will go for a movie tonight. The answer is yippee, we will go for a movie tonight. Number 5, you are looking like a princess. The answer is wow, you are looking like a princess. Number 6, my knee hurts. The answer is ouch, my knee hurts. Number 7, don't make noise, the baby is sleeping. The answer will be hush, don't make noise, the baby is sleeping. Number 8, you have done a great job. The answer is bravo, you have done a great job. Number 9. How are you? We are meeting after a long time. The answer will be, Hi, how are you? We are meeting after a long time. Or, Hello, how are you? We are meeting after a long time. Number 10. I will have to think about it. The answer is, I will have to think about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please write in the comment section below. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a great time ahead. Bye.